Hey, all right, welcome back. Now, this is awesome. So, I want to show you another really cool type of content page that can sell and generate massive goodwill at the same time. And that is the good old fashioned triangle of trust content template. So, I've built this for you. And once again, we're in our optimized press, and I've just clicked on create new page to get to this menu here. So what you want to do is scroll down until you find the template I've built for you, and it is in the category called Other Pages. And there is a lovely picture of yours truly, and notice I have tons of pictures of myself in these templates, mainly because I'm an egomaniacal person. So anyway, what you want to do is you want to click on Use This Template, and I'll just call this Trust Template Demo. Of course, you'd want to name it something cool. Now, the Triangle of Trust is content where you're really giving useful content to your subscribers in the form of basically a blog type of post, and it also promotes something at the same time. So your title would usually be How to Do Something Cool or whatever. So I'm going to click on Create Page. And with any luck, the old internet will be fast for us, and here we go. So first of all, let me show you what this looks like. I'll click on Show Hide Controls as usual, and this is what the page actually looks like. Now you'll notice we have a space for Facebook comments here. Now I'll click on Show Hide Controls again, so I can see more of our controls here. And basically, here's what this page does. You're going to send this to your list after people have opted in. This could be part of a campaign, or you could just do it as a broadcast. And this essentially is following my Triangle of Trust methodology, which is if you send people to a video on what is a blog post, they are less likely to be skeptical of it. Their sales radar is not going to be as high, and therefore they're going to be more likely to click to it. Now, once they click it, because it is presented in the form of looking like a blog, so you'll notice this kind of looks like a blog. We can add stuff here too, by the way. Because it looks like a blog, and because it's actually educational, cool stuff, they're going to be more likely to pay attention, and if you do a good job in your video and you do a good job in your copy, they're going to be more likely to click the link to whatever it is that you're promoting, and they're going to be more likely to be predisposed to buy it. So it's all cool. So you're helping people, you're increasing goodwill, and you're very subtly promoting something. And this is very, very effective. So this is a great type of content page here. So let me show you how to build it out. Really, really simple. I'll click on Show Hide Controls again, just to make it easier. You can edit your headline here, of course. And one thing you might want to do is just type in new. Right? How to do cool stuff. And if you want to, you can even make the word new red. Ooh, look at there. And even bold it if you want to. All right, so I'll just click on Insert. So now we've got that. And the big thing, of course, is going to be the video. So if this is your first video you've watched in this series, you'll know that there are lots of ways you can put videos in here. I'm just showing you how to do it in YouTube. You can embed like Wistia or Vimeo code here if you want to, or simply just use a video that you've put on YouTube. Sorry. So I'll click on YouTube. I'll roll over here and I'll just select this URL of a video that's me and Tony. So I think, anyway, this isn't my channel. It's someone named Deanna here has uploaded our stuff, and it's frozen because I'm on camera. Well, whatever, it doesn't matter. So here I'll do. I will post, or rather paste that there. I'm going to bravely not mess with any of this stuff. I'll say autoplay. I won't even hide controls. I won't hide the YouTube. I won't try to hide the title bar. It doesn't matter. This is meant to look like a blog. I'll leave the alignment alone. I'll click Insert. Now, no changes will be visible yet until we save the page. Now, here's what I've got here. So you'll notice typically most blogs, for example, hang on just a minute, I'll pull one up for you. Here we go. Okay, so you notice most blogs like have this little sidebar with stuff in it. Well, that's what this, oh boys, there we go. That's what this is supposed to be. So you'll notice that I've like included basically a headline here that just has more resources for you. And then you can just edit all of this text and do whatever you want. You can put links to other posts. So if we wanted to highlight this, for example, I would just click the pen here. And if we wanted to highlight this, I could say like this, and that would be a link to whatever, www.superyay.com. Let's hope that's not something weird. We click on add link. Now this is a hyperlink. And so I'll just click on insert there. And update, and you'll notice now there's a link here, right? I can also, if I want, add banners, okay? So if I wanted to add an image, I could click this. I would type IM, and that will bring, there we go, image. So I can say what kind of image. Well, I want to insert one of these. I can select the file. I can select it from my computer or from the media library that's already here, whatever we want to do. So I'll just say, here's the one with blue monitors. So this is a picture of me making some weird looking gesture here in front of blue monitors. I think we use that in an ad. So I'll say insert into post here, and that's good. That's all fine. And let's say that was a banner to something, right? So, you know, if you had a banner made or used canva.com to build your own banners, that's free, by the way. If you've never been there, prepare to spend hours playing with it and having fun, canva.com. But regardless, if you want them to go somewhere when they click it, just, you know, type something here, www.superawesome. I bet these are real websites, by the way, and insert here. And then there we go. And then, of course, we can put more text underneath it if we want to, right? So I'll say text block, and I'll select that. And then, look, you can put more text. Yay. It's really manly to say yay a lot in videos. Then you click on insert, and there we go. So we click on update, and notice now we've got like stuff, right? So this is all good. Here's a spacer to space it out. Now what you have here is I've put social sharing icons, and for some reason the Facebook stuff's not showing up. It probably will when we publish it. But if you want to have like the like button and all of that kind of stuff so people can share this on Facebook, I've already built it in. You just click on your blue pencil, and you just need to publish the page first and then paste the page URL in here, and in here, right where I put thispage.com, and in here if you're using Google Plus and stuff, and you're going to want to put your Twitter handle here. So I just have yourname.com. All right, so I'll click on insert there, and that's all fine and super awesome. Okay, so here's why I've created the text for you. So basically in a triangle of trust situation, you have a video that's really helpful, that's, you know, usually content, kind of like the VSL template I gave you in the last module. So it's content, how to do something, then you make an offer, and then you just sort of recap the content a little bit here, and then have multiple text links to your actual sales page down here. And then underneath it, if you want to, you can have comments. So it doesn't look like much here, but when we publish it, it'll be different. So you click on the pencil here, and you can choose between Facebook comments, or you can choose WordPress comments. I'm hitting the back button here, so I'm saying comments. Whoops. You could also choose WordPress comments, which doesn't require any sort of Facebook integration. It's really your choice. Now, if you're going to integrate with Facebook, you need to watch the instructions that are in your Optimized Press instruction area. I kind of walked you through that members area in the first video in this module. The reason I'm not going over it here is because the minute I do, they're going to change something and my video is going to be obsolete. So I'd rather you watch the Facebook integration instructions from them, but it's like simple as cutting and pasting. So regardless, this is where the comment section is going to go. All right, so I'm not going to show you how to edit text because you know how to do all of that, but that's how you mess with the sidebar here and everything. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to publish, and I'm going to click on save and continue, and we'll say saved here. I will view the public link. All right, I'll copy it. Ta-da. And for whatever reason, it is being a peckerhead, and stop. There we go. Not showing the Facebook, and you know why? It's because I have not activated it in my Optimized Press menu. So hang on just a sec. Let me show you how to do this real quick. So if you want to integrate with Facebook and make the comments and stuff show up, it's really simple. You just go to Dashboard here. Thought I'd done this earlier. As you can tell, I'm not a big Facebook lover. So you're in Dashboard. You come over here to Social Integration. And then you see where it says Facebook App ID. You click this, and then you're going to have to paste. This is exhausting. You're going to have to paste some stuff from your Facebook account into here. Totally not a big deal. rather than me showing you how to do it, I'm going to say, watch the video they have here. The reason I'm doing this is because literally, the second I render this video and change and publish it, they're going to change the process. Facebook's going to change something that'll make this video obsolete. So it's really, really easy, but that's where you paste the stuff. Okay, so we'll go back over here to Pages, and we'll just look at this page, and we'll check out the other elements of it. And I believe that thing was called, what did we call it? Triangle of Trust something or other. Triangle of Trust template demo. And so I'll just click on View, and we can see the page here. So hang on a minute. There we go. Here it is, right? So we would have comments here if we were integrated with Facebook, and you'd see all the cool stuff here, but I just didn't do that integration. So I won't do that. I won't make you watch me do that. But that's how you build this page. It's awesome. And if you don't want to have the Facebook stuff, just come over here to Edit, and come on, Internet. Click on Live Editor, and we will simply hit this X, and that would get rid of it right here, and it would get rid of it right here. I'll switch that over to Facebook, by the way. Comments, Facebook comments. There we go, and we'll say do that. And that is just lovely. All right, so that's how we do it, and we're good to go. So this is a great template to use for sending traffic from your list to a very subtle pitch. It works really, 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 really well. It has made me a ton of money. This methodology has always been my secret weapon for winning affiliate contests and just generally making a lot of money in a very subtle way where people don't feel like they're being pitched to. So I think you'll enjoy it. I hope you do. And as you can tell, super easy to build and get rolling thanks to these templates. All right, I'll see you in the next video.